Hey YouTube, this is Jesse with PermoFit. Just wanted to show you kind of the progress of my dying harvest. Turns out I have, looks like spider mites, some sort of fungus gnat, and thrips. And I guess the gnats and the thrips, they look similar in the adult stage. So I've gone and picked up some insect killer. It kills like 3 different stages of insects. Kills the eggs, kills the larvae, kills the adults, and it says it kills up to 45 different species. And it's got the pethrin stuff in it, as well as an extract of neem oil. So I'm going to saturate the plants. Let's see. I don't want to stream spray. Alright, so I'm going to saturate the plants, and I also have these they're called mosquito dunks. I have them sitting. I have 2 of them sitting in a 5-gallon bucket. I'll give you a better look here in a minute. Sitting in a 5-gallon bucket, and I poured them into a watering can, and I'm going to continue to water these guys, because the mosquito dunks are supposed to have a bacteria in them that will essentially attack and eat the gnat larvae, as well as some of the species of spider mites. And so I actually took a little bit of one and broke it up and put little chunks on top of the soil. So every time it got wet, a little bit of it came out. And then I let the other ones basically just sit in the 5-gallon bucket for 24 hours. And this is the second time I've watered with this stuff. So, and it's hard to tell, but the bugs are seriously reduced in numbers. I also still have the sticky pads up, and they're getting a lot more bugs as well. Basically, I just want to get this in as much of the soil as possible. And then I'm going to refill my watering can from the 5-gallon bucket. It makes a big old mess. I got water everywhere. And it's funny because the mosquito dunks are in the water, and the water is a big source for bugs to live in. They all tried living on the water and they all died. Now, from what I understand, the mosquito dunks will not kill the adult or the larvae stage, only kill the eggs. So, with any luck, that's good enough for me. My next step is I'm going to saturate with neem oil. If this doesn't work, I can get a jar or a bottle of pure neem oil, like $30. And you dilute it down with water. Try this one more time here. watering is going to be. Hopefully none. I'll show you, give you a little example here. Bring you in, show you something. Check this out. These are all dead bugs. And the only thing I can attribute that to is from the combination of either the spray or the, I don't think it's the traps. I mean, the traps got bugs on them, but this one's got quite a bit. That one over there's got a few. But I did that misting, and a lot of you guys, Prax, as well as Gabe, and Freaky Geeky too, they all suggested more of a coating. So, but a lot of you guys gave me suggestions, which I appreciate. I'm gonna go and this guy here is a banana pepper, and there's almost no evidence that it's alive other than it's green. This guy here, blueberry, pretty much no evidence it's alive other than it's got a little bit of green. Now I got this, here I'll show you in a minute, but I picked up several different types of nutrients, and I got a free sample of some stuff, as well as I picked up some other stuff, and I'll show you guys, as long as YouTube will let me advertise. It's warm in here. So what do we got here for temperature? $92. Can you see that? Yeah, 92. A little bit warm today. And it's cooler in here than it is outside. Alright, so here's that pineapple plant again. I don't see hardly any bugs on it. Oh. So far the pineapple, ooh, there's a little guy. Oh, so sorry, little guy. But you're eating the food that I'm trying to eat. I think the strawberry's virtually done, but just in case. Figured out my little hydroponic experiment. It's doing excellent. These guys. Alright. Well, let's see. That's it. Thanks, guys. Dripping with sweat. Any other suggestions, and shoot me a message. Otherwise, if all these plants die, I'm either going to try to take a clipping before they do, or I'm going to go hydroponic, or make some other kind of videos. Alright, thanks.